How to apply for a Fifth Third Bank credit card. First of all, visit the official Fifth Third Bank website at 53.com. Next, navigate to the credit card section, usually found under the bank menu. Browse through the available credit card options to find the one that best fits your needs, whether it's reward, cashback, or low interest. Once you decide which card to apply for, click on the Apply Now button next to that card. You will be directed to an application form where you need to enter your personal information such as your full name, address, social security number, income details, and employment information. Review the terms and conditions carefully before submitting your application. After submitting, you may receive an instant decision or be contacted later for further information. If approved, your new Fifth Third Bank credit card will be mailed to your address within a few business days. And that's it. Now you know how to apply for a Fifth Third Bank credit card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.